All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And what we do on the channel is we go through programs online, we figure out how to make money with them, and then we pass that information on to you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We sure appreciate it. And if you like these videos, please leave us a like on them. All right. So if you've landed here today, you've landed on our daily series, Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, where we use just a simple copy and paste method. That's the only way we're promoting these offers, and we're using my lead gen secret emailing system to do that, and pre-written emails inside Clickbank. Now I have a Google Doc below this video that will have all the emails in it, so you can just go there and copy those from there if you'd like, or you can go into Clickbank every day and get them from there. Either way, we just try and make it easy so you can just go quick, copy, paste, and then throw those emails out. So let's go ahead and log into Clickbank. We'll check out our progress. All right, so there we go. We made a sale last night for $17.98. Let's see which program that was. Get logged in here and we'll see. So if that's this new one, then it's going well. All right, so we'll just check clicks here while we're here. Let's see, we sent out our emails yesterday. We haven't sent out any today yet. We're getting ready to do that now. So this is clicks today, but this is all residual clicks coming in from emails we've already sent. So that's the good thing about this program, is that once these are out there, then they're going to circulate until they get opened, and then you can still make sales on them. So let's go check our period. We'll check the entire time here. All right, here we go. So the entire time we've been promoting with Clickbank, and this is day 53 in this series. We've done 17,969 clicks to our link with this traffic. We've had 153 impressions to our order form, and we've made 9 sales. So this last sale was right here on Right Apps, and that is the one we are working on now. So that is the new promotion we are running right now. So that's good. They did go through and they saw 3 upsell impressions, which they didn't get, but that's fine. They'll still have an opportunity, and we'll see how that goes. So right now we are sitting at 165.29 for a profit. We did have the one refund. I think it was $20 or $24 or something like that. So there we go. There's our profit that we've brought in. So it's not bad for just, taking 10 minutes in the morning and sending out some emails. So let's go send our emails. Now below all of my videos, I'm going to show you this right quick while we're here. Below all these videos, no matter what you want to look at, if you're on this Clickbank series, if you click, let me pull up a recent one. So if you click here and you come down here where it says show more, okay, right there is where you can join MLGS. And then if you come down here, the Google Doc is going to be in here. Actually, I need to change this one out, but I do have a new document I'm going to put, and it'll be in the same place. It'll be right here. So we'll get that done, and then you can just go there and pull those. It's a shared document. You can just go, let me show you. You can just come in here, click it. And then when it comes up, you won't be able to change any emails in here, but what you can do is just make a copy. So here's the emails. You'll be able to just come over here under file and then just make a copy right here. And then you'll have a copy for yourself, and you can just save it on your desktop or wherever you'd like to save that. And then you can make changes if you want to. You can do anything you want with it. It'll be your copy. All right, so let's go ahead and jump back over and get to sending our emails. So we're going to log into our first My Lead Gen secret account. And this is my first one. So again, you don't really need to worry about anything on here, except for you can look at statistics if you want to see those, and then our mailing system. So once we click our mailing system, you don't ever need to change this, or you don't ever need to change this. Just leave those the way they are. They're all set up and ready to go. I'm going to click here, select all. And today we're emailing only from this account 10,700 leads. All right. So you don't need to worry about this. This is all emails that you've already sent out that it saves for you in the system. So if you do want to go back and use these later, they're already set up, they're already ready to go, and you can do that. And it's easy. Just click it, find the email you want, load it, and then send it. It's already got your link in there. The email is ready to go. So you're promoting that offer without really even doing anything else with it. And we may do that here in the future. We may try that out. So for today's email, I've got the document pulled up over here. So I'm just going to go back and forth. I'm going to grab my subject line with Control C, put that in here with Control V. I'm going to come down to my email body. I'm going to pull my link and the email body, Control C. I'm going to highlight and Control V. I'm going to get rid of all this bold. This is, let's see, it's pretty short. So I like these short emails. They seem to work pretty good. People don't like to read a bunch. So we're going to get rid of that short code, and we're going to put our short code from MLGS in here with Control C and Control V and comma. All right, let's see what we need. We need our signature. And this is so easy because it shows you exactly what you need to do, even on the emails. So we need our Clickbank ID right here. There's mine. And then all you got to do is copy this link, Control C, and now you're ready to go place it. So this says visit our website here. So we're going to do that right here. We'll do OK, and we're going to bold that. And I'd like to put this in a couple of times. So let's see where else we can put it. I mean, we can really put it anywhere we want. So let's put it here. Talks about compensation. So let's just put it there. Then you're going to come down here. We're going to get rid of this link here because we don't need it anymore. And we're going to hit perfect timing. So there you can see, through predicting and tracking, they can figure out when your people are opening their emails, and they send them closer to that time, which guarantees you a better open rate. All right, you can read that there. All right, we're ready to send this. So let's just go in here. We're going to Control C to copy this, and then we're going to send it. All right, that's sent. So we're going to come up here to our tab. We're going to right click and then duplicate that tab. Then we're going to log out and log into our next account right here, number 2. So again, mailing system. Right there. So this account we're mailing to 5,400. So that is 11,000 total now. I'm going to come all the way down. I'm going to place our email in here first with Control V. There's our email. I'm going to hit perfect timing. I'm going to go up to the subject line and grab our subject from the document. Control C, Control V. And then I'm going to grab our email here with Control C and then send it. All right, that's gone. So we just switch tabs. We'll go to our other tab and we're going to log out. We're going to log back into our next account, which is going to be our third account. We go mailing system, select all. So that's 7,300. That's going to be over 18,000 now. I'm going to highlight. I'm going to Control V. We're going to hit perfect timing and grab our subject from our document. Right there. And then we'll go grab our email. So Control C, and then we're going to send it. There we go. So now we're just going to switch tabs again. We're going to log out. Going to log into number 4. Mailing system. There's another 5,400, so it's about 2,300, give or take. And we're going to put our email in there. Perfect timing. I'm going to go all the way up. Control C, grab our subject and paste it there. We'll grab our email, Control C, and then send it. So we'll have one more. There we go. We'll switch tabs again. Log out. Log into number 5. Mailing system, select all. So we're 10,000 here. So now we're up 20, kind of what I said now, 28,000 or so. Now we could go back and look, obviously, and just see those for sure. I'm just kind of guessing as I go through. I'm trying to add these up real quick. We'll grab our subject. There's our subject. And then we don't need to copy this again because this is our last account we're going to send out on these. So we'll go ahead and send this. All right, so those are done. Those are out. Now, if you want to check any stats, you can come in here. You can check your stats on these accounts. So you can actually see how many you did send out. So there's a 10,000 today we just sent out. And then you can go through every one of these and check them if you like. I'm not going to do that for the sake of saving time on this video. But we can check one more anyway. There, check that first one. Stats, so 10,700. Yeah, so we're probably, that's 20,700. So we're probably, we're close to 30,000, sending out 30,000 leads today. And, it doesn't cost us very much to do that. So we're getting tons of traffic and it's pretty cheap. Obviously, it's good traffic. We're making some sales. So, all right. So cool. Good deal. I do like to see sales. Now, while you're in here, of course, don't forget to subscribe because we sure appreciate that. And leave us a like on some of these videos. My number is always right below the video. If you do have questions, if you'd like to text me, that's fine. Please text. I appreciate the text first for sure. Give me some time to answer those. I do get a lot of text messages. But while you're in here, check out this system. This is brand new what we're running. This is a brand new company that's out. They haven't even been on the market for, not even, probably just over 3 months, honestly. And it's just killing it. I mean, it's really awesome. It's nice to get in on the ground floor of something. I can see this easily pushing up in the millions of people. So if you get in this now, you're going to secure your spot. So go check this out. It's really cheap to get into. And it pays really well so far. I was making money the second week. So check that out. Thanks, guys. Appreciate y'all for being here. Leave us a like, give us a comment, text me if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next video. Later.